Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will help how to adjust headlights on 2016 Jeep Cherokee. Begin by parking on level ground and facing a flat wall about 25 feet away. Measure the center of each headlight and transfer those heights to the wall with tape. Note the vehicle manufacturer alignment marks and verify the headlight housing is clean. Use the adjustment screws slowly and recheck the beam pattern after each small turn. Start by collecting a tape measure, masking tape, and the correct driver bit for the adjustment screws. Inflate tires to normal pressure and load the vehicle as you usually drive to mimic real conditions. Find a flat, level surface and a blank wall, or use a garage bay, and park 25 feet from the wall. Turn on the low beams to mark the beam center and prepare to adjust slowly with small turns. With the low beams on, mark each headlight center and draw a horizontal reference line on the wall. Use the vertical adjustment screw to bring the top of the beam cutoff slightly below the line for safe glare control. Then use the horizontal screw to center each beam straight ahead, avoiding outward drift. Recheck both lights together, test on a short drive to confirm alignment, and make tiny tweaks if needed for perfect balance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.